Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I am going to review the GoDaddy website builder and give you my honest thoughts on how to use it, pros, cons, pricing, things like that. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring blogger, or just someone looking to establish their online presence, finding the right website builder is crucial. So we'll take a look at GoDaddy's features, ease of use, customization options, and a lot more. So without further ado, let's get started. So GoDaddy does have a GoDaddy website builder, and then you can use it for free for the first 7 days, and then after that you will need to go onto one of their paid plans. But we can go through even with the free trial for now, and we can try building a website ourselves using some of their advanced features and making a decision as to whether or not this is a good way forward, or if there's other web page builders that are more worth paying the price for. So to get started, what you want to do is create an account with GoDaddy, and creating an account and starting the free trial is completely free, no credit card required. So what you want to do is just go on to Google and just type in GoDaddy website builder, or just click the link below to take and it'll take you straight away to the account creation for the website builder. But you'll be faced with a page like this, and you're just looking for the start for free button. And then you just want to create an account. You can create an account using your Facebook, Google, or continue with email, or if you already have an account, just click sign in. Once you get signed in and you have an account, you will immediately be taken to either pick up where you left off or start a new site. If you're starting a new site, you'll be just taken to the questionnaire. So the first thing that they'll ask you to do is to choose a category, and this is essentially the category that your website is going to fit into, and this will essentially help you create the content with your site. So you'll be given your site already made up with the theme, and you'll be given the content in the category of your website, so it's a lot easier to work with. You can choose between the popular categories they list here, or you can just type in your own. And you just want to look for something that is already within their list, or just pick something that's close to it. When you're done, you just want to click next, and then you want to give your store a name. Once you're done, you just want to click next, and GoDaddy website builder will always start off your site with a template and with some content in there. So you'll see in the beginning, this is what they kind of set up for you before, and this is just using the name of your store and the category that the industry that your store falls under, and it basically just creates a theme for you, some layout, and some sections on your homepage as well. So you're already starting off with some content there, which makes it a lot less daunting whenever you're creating your first website. Instead of starting off the blank slate, you do have something to work with. What's important to note is that this doesn't have to be the site that you publish. You just want to take the content that they give you and change it up exactly how you want, whether that's changing the fonts, the colors, the images, things like that. But it just means that you have something to work with, and you're not living on a blank slate. So this is really good for a start. To get started with the editing, so you'll see here, this is your main sort of web page, and this is with the web editor loaded. You can see when I hover over certain sections, it shows what I can edit. On the right side here, you'll have your actual main editor that's split into 3 sections. You've got the website section, the theme section, and the settings section. In the website tab, this is where you'll see a list of all the pages that are currently on your website, and it lets you add new ones and edit current ones, and also hide pages and delete pages if you need to. Then you have the theme tab, and the theme tab lets you customize the look and feel of your website, and it's here that you can choose between a variety of fonts, color schemes, and lots more as well. Then you have the general sections, so you can see here each of these elements are within a section, and this is where you'll add essentially new layouts to your page, and you can choose different layouts, and you can click directly on the content of a section to make edits. And then lastly, you have the publish button, and once you like you'll use this whenever you like the way your site looks, and you click publish so that other people can see it. You can still make updates later, and you can still reverse changes, but it's just a way to save your changes so that other people can see your website in its most up-to-date form. So starting off, whenever you first have your website, the one that GoDaddy kind of builds for you, the first thing that you want to do is update the theme. So when it comes to building a website with the GoDaddy website builder, one of the key elements to consider is the availability of themes. GoDaddy offers a wide selection of professionally designed themes that cater to various industries and niches. So the themes provided by GoDaddy are not only visually appealing, but they're also mobile responsive as well. So it ensures that your website looks great and functions well on different devices, and that's really crucial in today's mobile-driven world, as a large percentage of the internet uses mobiles to access their websites as well. Additionally, GoDaddy regularly adds new themes to its collections, and it keeps up to date with the latest design trends, ensuring that you have a really fresh and modern list of options to choose from. And this allows you to give your website a really modern and up-to-date look, reflecting the evolving standards of web design. So this is the theme that we currently have now. If you want to try a new theme, what you want to do is go into the Themes tab, and you're looking for the Try New Look button at the top. And you can see a list of all the themes that we currently have. So this is the current theme, which is modern, and then you've got a whole different section of the themes. There's different names, so there's urban, script theme. When you're scrolling through all of these, you can sort of see like a bit of what that theme is going to be about. But what you want to do to try a new theme, you just want to click on the theme that you want to try out, maybe this one, and you just want to click on select. And it'll then just update your theme with the one that you've selected, and you can go through and see what it would look like. It'll be a good idea to do this first so that you can go through each of the themes, and if you don't like it, again, you can try a new look and then just decide on another theme if you prefer that one as well. But you can go through and just see exactly what themes that they have, and then just pick one with the overall layout that you want. It's really important to note that when you're deciding on a theme, you're really just looking at the layout. Things like the colors being used, the fonts being used, all of that is customizable, and we'll go through that in the next step. Picking the theme is just showing what layouts they're going to use and what kind of color palettes they're going to use as well. Things like the font colors, sizes, and the overall design, that you can customize later after you've picked the general layout of the theme. So another benefit of using GoDaddy themes is the ease of customization. So while the themes come with pre-designed layouts and elements, you have the flexibility to personalize them to align with your branding and style preferences. The first thing you want to think about changing is the theme colors. So you want to quickly change the accent color used on your website, and to do that you just go into theme and you want to click on color. And you can select one of the colors that is on your theme, or you can select a custom color. In the color palette, pick the color that you want, or enter the hexadecimal code if you have that, and then use the paint slider to kind of adjust how light, colorful, or dark that you want your site to look as a whole. You can still change each section's color individually. This is just a normal, your standard sort of accent color that you're going to use across the site as well. So for example, if you wanted to use more of this blue, and that's going to be your accent color, and we can decide if we want it more of the dark colorful blue or the darker blue, and go from there. So that's our colors picked. Now we can go on to fonts. And what's really interesting about the GoDaddy website builder is that they've researched the most effective font combinations for readability for your website visitors. So if you scroll down onto fonts, you can see some pre-designed sort of font pairings, and these are essentially, you can choose one of their optimized present font combinations, or you can create your own font pairings, but at least you know with these ones, they are optimized for the web, they're really accessible to read, and they also look good as well. So you can go through and just click on whichever font pairing that you think works best for your content, the vibe that you want the website to go for, and overall how you want the website to look. Or you can decide which, if you want to do it yourself, you just click on advanced, and you can select a primary font and a secondary font. So it's up to you how you want to do your font pairings. In this example, we're just going to stick with one of the pre-designed font pairings that they already have. So your changes are saved automatically, but what you want to do is click on preview to see the results when you're ready to make the changes public. You just want to click on publish. Overall, GoDaddy's theme provides a really solid foundation for building visually appealing and functional websites. They offer a range of customizations options for different industries, and they're also really mobile responsive, and they provide the customization capabilities to help you create a website that stands out in the real world and is more aligned to your own branding and color palettes as well. So next we're going to talk about the drag and drop editor, and the drag and drop function is one of the key features of the GoDaddy website builder, and it simplifies the process of creating and customizing your website. The drag and drop functionality is a real game changer, and it's perfect for those who prefer a visual and intuitive approach to website creation as opposed to a more coded and technical approach. The idea is simple. You just easily design and arrange the elements of your website by just simply dragging and dropping them into the desired area of your web pages. So for example, if I wanted to add a new section below this About Us section here, what I want to do is hover on the section that I want it to come after, click on Add Section, and you'll see that there's already a list of pre-designed template sections that I can add, and it's already organized into what kind of sections there are. So you've got the recommended, popular, and premium sections, but then you can also just split it into what kind of section that you want to add. So for example, if you want to add like a contact section, you want to go into the contact category, and you want to type on look into which contact section that you want. So there's job posting contact section, then there's just a general contact us section, and from here you can see on the right a general overview of what that would look like. And it's really easy to then just go through each of these and just select which area that you want. They've got different categories for contact. They've got one if you wanted to add an audio video section onto the site, a blog section onto the site, and anything else just falls under general. So if you wanted to add a simple like button section, you can just click on buttons. If you wanted to add a general content section, where if you wanted to add some paragraph content, you could just click on content and you can select which section that you want to add, depending on what content that you want to add as well. So it's really good that you have the content ready first, and then you can decide how you want that content to be split up onto that page as well. So for example, if I wanted to set up a testimonial section, I'm going to go into content, and I'm going to look for a simple section where I have a space to add a title and a space to add a paragraph content. So this one will be really good as well for that. So I'm going to click add. And you can see that's been added here exactly where I wanted it. To start editing the content, all I need to do is click into the content that I want to edit. So for example, I want to change this content here, and you can see the editor change into those widget options. So each single element is essentially a widget, and you can see what options I have to change. So if I click into this section here, I have all of these options here to change it. The first thing I can change is the accent. So if I want to keep this beige accent color that I originally chose, I can. If not, I can always change it to a black. I can change it to a white, and if there's colors here that I don't have, what I can do is click on Edit Theme Color. I just click into Theme Colors, and then I can add more kind of theme colors onto my theme palette, and I can use that across my website as well. Next, I can change the alignment of my content. So right now everything's center aligned, but I can also left align it, and then all of the paragraph content is now left aligned, or I can right align it as well. And then this section here is where I can add the actual content. So the first thing I can change is the title, which is this currently says site content. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to change it to testimonial. Or you can change it to something a bit more user-friendly and type in here from our customers. And then you have the actual group. So right now you can see that there's 6, and I can have a max of 12 in one section. So it just means that it's really easy to add new sections and also edit current sections as well. So if I wanted to edit maybe this section here, the content here, I can either click into the content directly on the web page builder and then just highlight the text and then type in the text directly. Or if I go back to here, I can see the list of all the sections listed here below, and I can just click into the list and then just change it here as well. So I can change the headline and I can change the description, and for each of them as well I have an option to add an action button, or whether or not I want to show it, and then I can link that button to somewhere else, and I can decide what label to do, where page to link it to, and what section of the page to link it to. So it's really flexible in terms of adding a new bit of content or removing bits of content as well. If I go back to the section, for example, maybe there's 3 here, but I actually just want 4, what I can do is go into the bits of content that I want to remove, maybe this group here, and just click on delete group. And I can click on another one as well, and just click on delete group. And you can see that it's really easy to delete, and the section also automatically resized so that it all fits nice and evenly on the screen. But I can also add sections as well. If I click on add, I can add a new section, and it'll add itself automatically in this section here, and I can add a headline, and I can add a description as well. It's also really easy to drag and drop some of the sections in a different order, so I don't have to worry about changing section in order to change the order of everything. And once I'm done, I just want to click on the done button here, and then again I can just preview what I have and go through as a user and see what's missing and what I can change and what I can keep the same. So let's try building a page fully from scratch using the website builder. The first thing I want to do is go into the website tab, and then I'm going to click on this plus section here, and I'm going to, under add new item, I'm going to click on new page, and I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to add the title to be meet the team, or even about us. And you can decide if you want to show that in the navigation bar, if you want to show it in the footer, or if you want it to be a private page. And this is useful if you want to create a page but you know it's not going to be finished in one session. So you can just leave it as a private page and then come back to it whenever it's done, ready to publish, and just remove that as a private page. For now I'm just going to leave it as a show navigation, and then I'm going to click on create page. So you can see this is my page, completely blank, which can be a little bit scary and a little bit intimidating, but we're going to fill it with some content really easily. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a section, and you can see the add section call to action here, makes it really easy. And it shows us that template library again. So depending on what layout we're going to use, we're going to go into different categories as well. I'm going to click into general, and I'm going to click into introduction to see what layouts that they have. You can also go into content and just see what layouts they have there as well. You essentially just want to go through each layout and just see which one suits the content that you have written. I'm going to go into about, and then I'm going to just look into their about sections here. And I'm looking for something that has almost like a feature image and then some content underneath. So this layout might work. So you can see the big image here and then some content underneath. So I'm going to click on add. And you can see that it's been added quite easily here. So you've got the about us title here, and then you've got the content, and then you've got the image content, and you've got the written content here. So what I'm going to do is just click into the image, and that's something that I want to change. And you can see I've got some option here in terms of the images. So I can change the orientation. I can change it to landscape, portrait, square, circle, or fit image, and things like that. It's really important to, when you're choosing what kind of orientation that you want, that this image subject also fits an orientation. So if you're wanting a portrait orientation, you want to make sure that the image that you have is also a portrait image. Otherwise it's going to fit a bit awkwardly, and it's not going to be as easy to manage on your website as it would be if it was just the same orientation. And then you just want to click on done, and then I can change the headline here, and I can change the description here. And if I wanted to add an action button, I do have that option, and I'm going to toggle that right, and then just click on learn more as a button here. The next thing I want to add is a meet the team section. So I want a section that gives a group of essentially an image, title, and a bit of content. So like it's meet the staff's kind of section. So I'm going to click on add section, and I'm going to go into general, and I'm going to see if there's anything in the about section. And something like this would be good. So you can see it's feature content with smaller images. So I can use an image here, add my name here, and then a little description about the staff there. So I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to click on add. And you can see what the about us section here. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to call it meet the team. So I'm going to click into the title. I'm going to say meet the team. And you can see it's really easy to change the images. So if I click on this image here, I can click on change image, and I I can choose either I can add an image from my computer library, or I can choose images from the stock media. So it's up to you how you want to use that. And then you can change the name of, change the headline. And you can add a little description here. So you can essentially just use the layout. Don't focus on what's written on the content, but you just sort of look at the layouts and you want to see, will that work for the content that I want to add into it. And the last thing that I want to add is a contact section. So I'm going to click on add section, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to look for contact, and I'm going to go into contact us. And I think I just want a simple contact info, and then maybe a map as well. So this one would be really good. So I'm going to click on add. And you can see that's being added here. And then all I need to do is just go through each of these and add maybe some info here, the R's, and then add a little bit more description, maybe even a contact number and things like that. And then when I click on the map, I can easily just change the address by just typing in the address here. Once I'm happy with everything, I'm going to preview it, and you can see how that looks. And what's also really good about the sections and all the templates is that everything is mobile friendly. So I didn't need to do anything on mobile, but if I go into mobile view, everything automatically stacks really nicely. There's a good padding, the images aren't stretched or being squished. And there's nothing that I did to make that mobile friendly. All the sections and templates are already mobile responsive as well. So you don't need to worry about building your website in desktop and then further optimizing it. Everything's already optimized for you. So you can see it's a really user-friendly approach, and it eliminates the need for coding or technical skills, making website building more accessible to beginners and those without any design background. You can effortlessly add and position various components like text boxes, images, videos, contact forms, social media icons, and more with just a few clicks. So now it's time to publish the site. So GoDaddy does offer a free plan for those who want to get started with the website without any upfront costs. And the free plan allows you to explore the features and capabilities of the GoDaddy website builder before committing to paid subscriptions. With the free plan, you can create a fully functional website using the website builder, and you can have access to a selection of pre-designed themes. It includes a GoDaddy subdomain, so essentially your site.godaddysite.com for your website. While it doesn't offer a custom domain, this subdomain allows you to have a web address where visitors can visit your site without any additional costs. To publish your site, what you want to do is just click onto the publish button, and you can see the site is publishing now. And you can see now our site is live. So we're going to click on visit site. You might need to give it a few minutes, but you can see the site is now live at the address that they gave us. And everything is looking exactly how we had designed it, and we can scroll down, we can click around, and everything's using our theme as well. So with the free plan, your website may display a small GoDaddy branding element, something like this, and it serves as a way for GoDaddy to promote their services. And if you prefer to remove the branding and have a more professional appearance, you can upgrade to a paid plan. But it's important to note that while the free plan offers a good starting point, it may have some limitations compared to the features and capabilities available in the paid plans. If you need additional functionality or more storage or custom domain, you want to consider maybe upgrading to a paid plan that suits your specific needs as well. So to have a look at their plans a little bit more in depth, you can click on view plans here. And you can see their tiered plan. So right now we are on the standard plan, but we're on the free trial of it. And you can see exactly what you get for it. So with the standard plan, you get quite a bit. With all of these, you get more and more storage and more bandwidth, depending on what plan that you use. But if you want to ever sort of accept any payments or start selling things, you want to use one of the e-commerce plans. So while the free plan does offer a good starting point, it may have limitations compared to the features and capabilities available in the paid plans. If you require any more additional functionality, more storage, a custom domain, or want to remove the GoDaddy branding, you want to consider upgrading to a paid plan that suits your specific needs a bit more. So wrapping up our review of the GoDaddy website builder, it's clear that the platform offers a very user-friendly and accessible solutions for creating and customizing your own website. They have a wide selection of professionally designed themes, a really good drag and drop interface, and various plans to choose from. GoDaddy does cater to beginners and small businesses looking to establish the online presence. As we've seen through the drag and drop functionality, it's really easy to build your website, and it eliminates the need for any coding knowledge or any kind of design expertise. You can effortlessly arrange and customize elements, giving you full creative control over the look and feel of your website. While the free plan offers a great starting point, the paid plan unlocks additional features such as custom domains, increased storage, and the option to remove GoDaddy branding. And it's important to consider then your specific needs and budget when selecting a plan, as each plan offers different levels of functionality and benefits. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your existing website, GoDaddy provides options to suit various requirements. In conclusion, I think the GoDaddy website builder is really reliable and super user-friendly, and it will empower you to kind of create your website visually, making it functional, really nice, and the intuitive drag and drop interface and the extensive theme collection offers a really comprehensive solution for website creation and customization as well. I hope this review has provided you with valuable insights into the GoDaddy website builder. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
So now let's go over a little bit about GoDaddy's pricing plans for their website builder and also their hosting. So you can see that you can sort of, they've got different plans and pricing for whatever it is that you're buying. So they've got plans for like their domains. They've got bundles where you can bundle sort of like GoDaddy online store, studio, social posting, and the website builder as well. And then they've got pricing just for their emails, just for specifically their website builder, and then just their hosting as well. So there's a lot of kind of different moving parts for it. We'll look at their website builder specifically, but you can see they've got the GoDaddy website builder, which is what we were looking at. And if you look at their plans for the website builder, they can start off as low as $6.99 and go all the way up to $12.99 for e-commerce plans as well. So all their plans come with SSL, custom domain connection on the Go editing. It also comes with 24/7 support and guidance and analytics. Now, just the basic plan, you won't have that much support for SEO. You can get it with starting from their standard plans. In terms of other plans, you can start for free. They do have a free trial. And the e-commerce plan is the one that you want to go for if you have e-commerce on your website, because it will give you the options for the product listing, flexible payments, flexible shipping options, discount and promotional features, things like that. So all of the plans include the free SSL, the 24 customer support. You can still use the drag and drop interface for all of your websites and a wide range of templates, as well as some marketing tools as well. And you can try it for free for 14 days, and that's a really good way to see if there is the right fit for you before you commit to a paid plans. In terms of actual websites and email accounts, the basic plan will give you 1 email account. The standard plan will give you 5, I think. Yeah. And then premium and e-commerce is unlimited. Storage is also different for each of the plans. If you have any questions, I recommend reaching out to their support. But from what I know, the storage for the basic plans is about 500 MB, and then for the e-commerce it goes up to 15 GB. So if you're ever unsure, it's really good if they have really good support that comes back to you really quickly. So if you're not sure what plan works for you, it's great to sort of chat to GoDaddy themselves and explain what it is you want for your website, and they'll be able to recommend a plan suited to you. But because of the free plan, or because of the free trial that they have, it's a good way. You've got a good 2 weeks to play around with the builder and see if it's the type of website builder that suits you. So now let's take a look at some of their hosting options. They have basic web hosting, and they have the website hosting for the website builder, which we've seen. In terms of their web hosting, they've got a few plans for it, and they're quite affordable as well. You can see the web hosting economy plan starts at about $3.99. This is currently on offer from $7.99, and then it goes all the way up to about $10.99, again on offer for $21.99. The plan that's most affordable is the economy plan, and it's suitable for basic websites with minimal traffic and storage requirements. It does have sort of unlimited bandwidth, free SSL, you've got 25 GB storage. It's suitable for one website as well, and it's good for popular CMS integrations like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. And then the economy plan is a step up, and the deluxe plan is a step up. It's good for multiple sites, and you've got about 50 GB storage, as well as unlimited SSL for real sites. Then you've got the ultimate plan, and this plan is specially designed for more kind of agency types, because you can have up to 25 websites hosted on this plan, 75 GB storage, and then you've got the web host maximum. We get up to 50 websites, 100 databases, and 100 GB storage as well. It's the most powerful option from GoDaddy's hosting, and they offer the most resources and features, especially for demanding websites with higher traffic and storage needs. So you can see at the bottom, every web hosting plan offers the unmetered bandwidth, global data centers, so your customers and clients can view your website really fast from anywhere in the world. Automatic daily backups, easy to use control, network security. They also have one-click WordPress install. If you decide not to go with the GoDaddy website builder and you want to use one of the popular CMSs, they've got the one-click WordPress install as well. GoDaddy is a really popular choice for building and hosting websites because of its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, affordable pricing. So let's look at some of the key benefits of using GoDaddy for your website. So first up is their ease of use. So we've seen how easy the website's builder is, designed for beginners and experienced users, making it really easy to create a professional looking website without any kind of coding knowledge. It has a wide range of features. It offers a comprehensive suite of features for both website building and hosting, and it's a website builder that includes a variety of templates, design elements, and e-commerce tools to cater to various website needs. The hosting plans provide reliable uptime, scalability, and security, so your website is always accessible and protected as well. GoDaddy's pricing structure is competitive and transparent. It has various plans to suit different budgets and website requirements. GoDaddy is the world's largest domain registrar, making it really easy to register, manage, and transfer domain names. And GoDaddy offers 24/7 customer support through various channels, including phone, chat, and email. Their support team is really knowledgeable and responsive, helping you to resolve any kind of issues promptly. GoDaddy's website builder and hosting plans include built-in e-commerce capabilities, allowing you to set up online stores and sell products or services directly from your website. And GoDaddy provides various marketing tools to help you promote your website and reach a wider audience. GoDaddy's hosting infrastructure is really robust and secure. All of the hosting plans that they offer have SSL certificates and malware protections and firewalls on all their plans, and all of that will help safeguard your website and your data and your customers' data as well. And lastly, GoDaddy is a well-established and trusted brand in web hosting industry, providing services to millions of businesses worldwide, both small and large. Their reputation for reliability, affordability, and ease of use makes them a really popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Overall, I think GoDaddy offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for building and hosting your website, making it a really suitable choice for small businesses and larger organizations as well. It's really easy to use, has a wide range of features and affordable pricing. Saying that, there are some cons of using GoDaddy for your website, and it's important to realize them as well. As we were using the website builder, there were a few customizations and control limitations. While we have a range of templates and design elements, it doesn't offer the same level of customization and control as other website builders, for example like Wix. You can customize pretty much every single element, whereas with GoDaddy it's a little bit more limited. GoDaddy is known for its aggressive kind of upselling tactics, so you They prompt you a lot to purchase sort of additional services or upgrades to the website building and hosting process. And while some of these services might be beneficial, it's really important to be aware of kind of potential hidden fees and make informed decisions about what you actually are buying and what you truly need. So as we've seen with some other hosting plans, the initial plans are really plan costs are quite affordable, but the renewal rates can be significantly higher. So be sure to check the renewal pricing for each plan before you commit to a long-term contract. And while GoDaddy offers 24/7 customer support, there are some reviews and some users that have reported inconsistent experiences with their support team. So the quality of support might vary depending on the issue and the specific support representative that you have. GoDaddy shared hosting plans may not provide the same level of performance and scalability as the dedicated hosting or managed WordPress hosting. So if you have a website with high traffic or demanding performance requirements, GoDaddy's shared hosting plans might not be enough. GoDaddy's e-commerce tools may be less robust and feature-rich compared to dedicated e-commerce platforms like using WooCommerce with WordPress or Shopify. So if you anticipate a high volume of online sales or require some kind of advanced e-commerce functionality, GoDaddy might not be the best choice. GoDaddy has been involved in data privacy controversies in the past, and while they have taken steps to address these concerns, it's important to be aware of the data privacy practices and assess whether they align with your own privacy standards as well. So GoDaddy's website builder and hosting plans may not integrate seamlessly with third-party tools or services. If you rely on specific third-party integrations for your WordPress functionality, it's really essential that you ensure compatibility with GoDaddy's platform as soon as possible. And GoDaddy's uptime guarantee is lower than some of its competitors, offering a 99.9% uptime guarantee for shared hosting plans. And while it's generally acceptable if you require extremely higher uptime, you might want to consider other hosting providers with higher uptime guarantees. So in conclusion, while GoDaddy offers a very user-friendly and affordable option, it's really crucial to weigh the potential drawbacks against the benefits before making a decision. So consider your own website needs, your own budget, and your technical expertise when you're evaluating GoDaddy, and compare it with alternative options to find the most suitable solution for your website. So now let's take a look at some of the alternative website builders that you can use and that are also out there as well. Some of them offer a little bit more customization options. Some of them might offer better hosting. So we'll take a look at some of these now.
So Wix is a well-known web builder that offers AI technology called the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix ADI assists in creating personalized websites by asking a series of questions and generating a customized website based on the user responses. It also provides a traditional drag and drop editor for more advanced customization. Another popular website builder is Weebly, and Weebly also incorporates AI technology. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality and provides an AI-powered website called Weebly Promote. Weebly Promote assists users in creating and managing email marketing campaigns. Next up is Squarespace, and Squarespace is known for its visually appealing templates and intuitive design interface. While it doesn't have a dedicated AI feature, it utilizes machine learning algorithms to offer personalized design suggestions and layout options based on user preferences. Next up is Jimdo, and Jimdo is a really popular website builder that uses AI to generate websites quickly. It offers an AI-powered tool called Jimdo Dolphin, which creates websites based on information provided by the user. Jimdo Dolphin also provides the option for manual customization using a drag and drop editor. And lastly, we have Site123. So Site123 is a user-friendly web builder that incorporates AI technology to simplify the website creation process. It offers an intelligent assistant that guides users through the setup and customization of their websites. Site123 provides various templates and allows for easy content and management. To get started with the Site123, you just want to go into the site123.com website, and you can find the link in the bio below. And what you want to do is just click on Start Here to start building your website using their free website builder. The first thing that they'll ask you is what type of website do you want to create. If it's a normal kind of portfolio website, blog website, a simple landing page, or an online store. In this video, we're gonna try building a blog. And then they'll ask you for what kind of blog are you going to be writing about. And they'll give you some options like fashion and beauty, travel and tourism, recreation and sport, things like that. If none of them actually match what your blog is promoting, that's no problem. It'll just ask you to click here and then you can move on to the next step. In this video, we're just going to use business marketing as our example. And then you just want to give your business or marketing blog a name. And then you just want to sign up as the final step. And again, at this point, everything is free. There's nothing that you need to pay for right now. So you can either sign up with Google, with Facebook, or just sign up with your normal website and phone number and email. It will then start loading your editor and building up your site. Some key features of Site 123 is that it's very easy to use. It's designed to be very beginner friendly, providing a simple and intuitive website creation process, and you can choose from a variety of templates as well and customize them to suit your needs. So you'll start off here in your website dashboard, and this is where you'll kind of manage your site if you wanted to edit it, upgrade to a different domain, manage your site settings, any messages, blogs, things like that. It'll all be set up here. What you want to do first, so you have the blog set up here, and what you want to do is click into edit to start editing your blog website. And you can see it's already kind of built out for you as a starting step, and all you really need to do is change things like the design, the layout, add your own sections, add your own pages. What you can do first is update the colors and fonts, and this is really good. This is a good first step, as you want to make sure that the site is continuously using your font, your brand's theme color, your brand's font, and things like that. So what you want to do is go into the design part at top, and you want to click into colors, and you want to look at the different color schemes that there are. Right now with those Site 123, if you're on the free version, they'll have a range of different color features and color palettes set up. However, if you wanted to use your own custom colors, it is part of the paid plan, and you'll need to upgrade to one of their plans as well. But if you're not wanting to upgrade so soon now, they do have a range of different color palettes to choose from. It's a good way to kind of get started and see if the site builder is what you need and will make sense for you to purchase in the future. So you can go through each of the color palettes and see which one kind of makes sense for you, and then later when you upgrade, you can update with your own colors. The next thing you can also do is the fonts. So if you click into fonts here, and again, they'll have different font pairings. You can see here with a little preview as well, and you can click on them to kind of preview all of the font pairings across your website. But again, if you wanted to use your own custom font pairings, then you would need to upgrade to one of their plans. But otherwise, again, similar to the color palettes, there's loads of different there's loads of different font pairings that you can use, so it's not like you're limited that much when it comes to using the free version. The next thing that you want to do is edit the header and footer, and this is really easy. All you need to do is click into the header section on the top toggle bar here, and you can customize things like showing different social networks, showing the phone number, showing emails, things like that. And all you need to do is just toggle each of these things to decide if you want to show it or not. And then once you've toggled it, then all you need to do is just click on edit to edit like the phone number, and then you can edit the social networks and things like that. It's also up to you if you want to arrange them in different sections. So the call to action buttons, we have social network, email, and phone. But what we can do is just change the arrangement as well. Simple drag and drop, and then that changes the header. If you click on footer and scroll down, you can see all of the footer layouts, and there's different sort of layouts here. And it's up to you if you wanted to add different call to actions and different layouts as well, and different features. What's really good about this builder is that it is very drag and drop. So for example, we have this homepage that's already built out for us, Maybe we want to add another kind of layout as well. So all we need to do is, for example, this section here, we can click into templates and we can pick from one of the templates that's already set up for us, and then just apply that to our site as well. You can also just change specifically this layout if everything else is fine, but you want to maybe change the background color. You get the options of what you can change for each section when you click into each of the section. To change contents, for example, we have this content here. It's really easy to change text content. You just click into the text and then just type in the actual text that you want it to show. And again, you just want to click on adding each section and focusing on what you want to add, and edit the background colors, edit the text exactly how you need it. The next thing that you want to do is add pages. So right now we have the home, blog, and a contact us page, but maybe we also want to add an about us page. So what you want to do is go into the page at the top and you want to click on add new page. And there's different ways you can go about it. You can add a page based on what's popular, or you can just look into directly what kind of page that you want. So we want to do an about us page. So I'm going to, in the search bar, I'm going to click on about, and it's going to show me about a bunch of about sections as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of the sections, and that is our about page. And again, all I need to do is change the layouts if I wanted to. I can click into layouts, and then other than that I can change the content as well. I can choose an image, I can choose several images, I can choose a video as well. And then just edit exactly how I need to. Once you're done with everything, you can click on publish, and this is the bit where you may need to update as well. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see currently our domain name is this series of random letters and numbers, and this is because we are still on the free site. What we want to do is use one of the domains, either the one that they suggest or one that we may already have. In order to do that, we need to click on upgrade now and upgrade to one of their hosting plans. So you can see they've got different plans from gold to basic, starting at like £10 a month to about £16 a month. Keep in mind that these are the promotional time offers. So once the promotion is done, then if you're paying the full price. In this case, if you go for gold, it's about £27.45. The main difference between all of these is the mailing list messages, so the amount of messages that you can send. If you're on the basic plan, you can't send any mailbox messages and you don't get any mailbox. But then from then on, you can send. There's a limit to how many mailing list messages you can send. There's a limit to the mailboxes, and in terms of e-commerce, the e-commerce side, you will need to have the professional and gold plans in order to be able to make a certain amount of orders every month as well. So with the free plan, you can create your basic website with limited features. It does include the 500 MB storage, the 123 subdomain, and branding on your site. The premium site will offer the 4 premium plans, and they vary in storage, they vary in features as well. So what are some benefits of using AI to create websites? The first one, as we talked about, is time efficiency. So AI website creators automate a lot of the aspects of web development, including reducing the time required to build a website. And with AI generated templates, pre-designed elements, and content suggestions, you can create a website in a fraction of the time it would take to build it manually. AI-powered websites also have the intuitive interface with drag and drop functionality, making it accessible to individuals with limited technical skills or coding knowledge. You don't need to be a web expert to create a professional looking website anymore. Traditional website development can be expensive, requiring the use of web designers or developers, and AI website creators provide that at a cost-effective alternative, as they eliminate the need for extensive custom coding or outsourcing development tasks as well. Branching off from that, AI website creators allows users to build websites without writing a single line of code, and this can empower a lot of individuals and small businesses who lack programming skills or lack the funds to create their online presence independently. AI-powered tools often provide a wide range of professionally designed templates that ensure a consistent and visually appealing look for your website, and the templates are typically optimized for different devices as well, offering a responsive design from the very beginning. AI algorithms can analyze your content requirements and provide suggestions for text and images based on the industry or the topic or the style of your website, and this can be helpful in generating content ideas and ensuring your website is engaging and also relevant. AI website builders can automate certain tasks, such as software updates, security patches, and plugin management. This helps keep your website up to date and secure without requiring manual intervention. And some AI website creators incorporate SEO and recommendations to help your website search engine visibility. These tools can help provide insights on optimizing meta tags, keywords, and content structure, helping you enhance your website's organic search engine rankings as well. And lastly, integration and scalability. So AI website builders often offer integrations with various third-party tools and services like e-commerce platforms, email marketing, and analytics tools as well, and this allows you to extend the existing functionality of your website and scale it as your business grows. Overall, AI-powered website creators simplify the web development process, making it more accessible, efficient, and cost-effective for all individuals and businesses to establish an online presence. However, while AI website creators offer lots of benefits, they do come with potential disadvantages. The first one being limited customization. So AI website builders typically provide a set of templates and predefined design options. While customization is possible within these limitations, you may not have the same level of flexibility and control as you would with manual coding. This can restrict your ability to create a truly unique or highly tailored website. Since AI website builders often rely on templates, there is a risk that your website might have a similar appearance to other websites using the same templates. This can make it challenging to stand out and create a distinctive brand identity as well. There is a learning curve and a limitation on skill as well, so although AI website builders aim to simplify the website creation process, there can still sometimes be a learning curve involved in understanding and navigating the platform itself. Additionally, while AI tools eliminate the need for coding, they may not cater to advanced users or those who with specific technical requirements who prefer to have more control over the code as well. When using AI website builders, it's essential to consider the privacy and ownership of your website's data, so ensure that you review the terms and conditions of the platform to understand how your data is handled, and if you retain ownership of your content as well. When using AI website builders, you are reliant on the platform and its ongoing availability. If the platform experiences technical issues, or it goes offline or shuts down, it can disrupt your website's functioning and support. The dependency could potentially affect your website stability and long-term viability as well. AI technology is continuously evolving, and the features and support provided by AI website creators can change over time, so it's really important to assess the platform's commitment to ongoing updates, improvements, and customer support to ensure that the website remains up to date and well supported in the long run. While these disadvantages do exist, AI website creators are constantly evolving, and many providers are actively addressing these limitations to offer more customization options and cater to a wider range of website requirements as well. So it's important to evaluate your specific needs and consider whether an AI website builder aligns with your goals and your expectations as well. So now let's have a look at some popular AI website creators that are out there.
And that's it. That's a wrap for a video today on GoDaddy, and just we touched on some of the other website builders out there as well. I hope you find this review useful, and if you did, please give us a like and share with others who you think might find it useful as well. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below, and I'll see you in the next one.